How to get started with your new TDM-120 series. One video to get you up to speed fast. Here's everything included with the TDM-120P. Let's start with the exterior. There are 4 buttons on the front. The bottom button is for image review, mode switching, and settings. The power button is on the right side. During charging or data transfer, it lights up red. The shutter button is on top. Red test lead input, black test lead input. On the left side, you'll find the Type-C data port, the SD card slot, and the reset hole. There's a screw mount on the bottom for easy tripod mounting. The imaging lens is on the back, along with the adjustable stand. Before use, insert an SD card first. Then press and hold the power button. It boots into thermal imaging mode by default. First, open Settings. Go to System Settings. Then choose your preferred language. TDM-120P supports both Chinese and English. Next, open Temperature Settings. Temperature range can be set manually or automatically. Temperature units can be switched between Fahrenheit and Celsius. The minimum temperature display and maximum temperature display can also be turned on or off as needed. If the set temperature exceeds the alarm threshold, an alert will appear on the screen. Tap the settings icon in the bottom right toolbar. Emissivity, distance, reflected temperature, these are the 3 parameters. Emissivity is the object's ability to emit infrared radiation. That's the most important setting. Here's the parameter chart, for reference only. Distance refers to the straight line distance between the meter and the object being measured. Adjust it based on the test conditions. Reflected temperature refers to the surrounding ambient temperature reflected from the object's surface. Set it according to the on-site conditions. Tap the top right corner to return to the thermal imaging screen. Tap the cursor icon in the lower left corner, choose a color palette. There are 7 palettes to choose from. White, hot, and rainbow work well for most scenarios. Iron and lava make hot spots stand out more clearly. Choose whichever fits the scene best. Tap the icon in the bottom right corner to select a cursor. This icon is for spot measurement. You can drag it anywhere you want. This is the box cursor. It measures only the area inside the box. You can resize and drag it freely. This one centers the box with one tap. Tap the top icon to clear everything at once. Tap the top left icon to use the multimeter alongside thermal imaging. Tap the image icon in the lower left corner to enter the gallery. Use the left and right arrows to switch images. The edit button in the upper right corner lets you select multiple images and delete them. Tap an image to view a single photo. Tap Details to view the captured data. You can swipe through the images from here. Now let's do a hands-on demo. We'll measure the temperature of an ambient light and a charging adapter. The objects are made of plastic and glass. Set emissivity to 0.85. Set the distance to 0.5 meters. Set reflected temperature to the indoor ambient temperature. Now point it at the target. You can see the temperature distribution. Move the center cursor over the area you want to measure. The center temperature appears in the top left corner. Tap the shutter button to save the image. Tap the mode switch button to switch to multimeter mode. Tap the range selection area to switch measurement ranges. Before using the multimeter, make sure the test leads are plugged into the correct jacks. Plug the black lead into COM. Plug the red lead into the other jack. Then you're ready to measure. First, let's try auto mode. Connect the black lead to the battery's negative terminal. Connect the red lead to the positive terminal. The screen will show the reading. Switch to resistance measurement. Hold on the screen to freeze the reading. Tap it again to return to live measurement. Switch to diode test mode. Touch both ends of the diode with the probes, a normal forward voltage drop will appear. If nothing shows up, the leads are reversed. Switch to DC voltage measurement. The steps are the same as in auto mode for DC voltage. Tap to switch to AC voltage measurement. We'll use a wall outlet for the demo. Insert both probes into the socket. Switch it on and you'll see the reading. Next, switch to capacitance measurement. Let's measure a 470 microfarads capacitor. It reads 463 microfarads, which is within the normal tolerance. Next, switch to continuity test. Short the two probes together. If you hear a beep, that means it's working normally. First, open USB mode in Settings. Use a data cable to connect the device to your computer. The device will then show up as a storage drive on your computer. Now copy the firmware you downloaded earlier to the device's drive. After unplugging the cable, restart the device. That completes the firmware update. The image export process is the same as the firmware update process. Once connected, just drag and copy the images.